Let's take a look at this Bang Electra toy gun. It comes with a gun and 3 suction darts. You might have seen similar guns by Nerf. This gun was part of a movie promotion for the movie Bang Bang. It's a Hindi movie. This gun is called Parrot, but that's the only place you see the parrot. There is no other mention of it or even a sticker on the gun anywhere. This company thinks naming all the guns after birds, it might make girls interested in guns, which is quite logical if you think of it. That's the pelican, peacock. The pigeon look interesting. I really would like to know the reasoning behind naming each one of them. This one costs around 200 rupees or around $4. A similar Nerf gun would cost around twice as that. This is how the gun looks. It can only take one dart, and these are the foam darts, and you just pull it here to fire it. Again, the darts are really good darts. It's priced really well. For 200 rupees, this is really good quality gun. I'm surprised that they can deliver something like this for 200 rupees. I'm practicing non-violence this month, so I'm not going to show you this gun being fired, but it works really well and goes quite a distance. Quite nice. Check it out.